In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark a no-show appointment on Fresha. Whether you're managing a bustling salon, spa, or any other service-based business, tracking client attendance is vital for keeping everything running smoothly. Managing no-show appointments can help you maintain accurate scheduling and ensure that every slot is used efficiently. Let's jump right into it. First, you'll want to navigate to your Fresha dashboard. This is your central hub and command center for all your business activities, from scheduling to inventory management. It provides a comprehensive overview of your appointments, making it easy to keep tabs on what's coming up and any changes that need to be addressed. Once you're there, look for the specific appointment that you need to address. Simply click on any appointment that you made on the calendar. This action opens the details of the specific appointment and reveals further options for managing it. Now, once the appointment window pops up, you'll notice several features and information laid out for your review, like the client's name, type of service, duration, and any notes you may have added. Here is where you can also manage the status of the appointment. Focus your attention on the lower section of the pop-up window. You'll see 3 dots positioned next to the Save button right near the bottom of this window. These dots signify additional options for managing your appointment. Clicking on them will open a small drop-down menu, giving you a quick link to additional actions you can take. From the drop-down menu, you'll have several choices depending on the status of your client's visit. In this particular case, we're interested in marking an appointment as a no-show. A no-show occurs when a client misses their scheduled appointment without notifying your business in advance. It's important to record this status, as it can help with managing your time and rescheduling efforts in the future. Once you select no-show from the menu, the appointment will be officially marked as such. And from there, you can handle any follow-up actions, like reaching out to the client or updating your records accordingly. And that's it. You're all done. Marking a no-show appointment is a simple yet crucial task in maintaining the efficiency of your operations on Fresha. By keeping an organized schedule and addressing no-shows promptly, you can reduce downtime and enhance the overall effectiveness of your booking management. Remember, addressing such occurrences not only optimizes your business operations, but can also help in establishing clear communication and expectations with your clients. Thank you for tuning in today. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to reach out with any questions or feedback on making the most out of your Fresha dashboard. Stay organized, and we'll see you